This technique is truly insane. And the first time I started using this, I had such incredible results that I actually started using this every day. And the results have been transformational. So in this video, I'm going to show you this 10-second manifestation water trick that will change your life. Everybody has 10 seconds, so just try this for yourself. And this isn't magic, it's actually neuroscience and subconscious rewiring. And once you understand how this works, you will never skip it again. Again, just 10 seconds. But before I share it really quickly, if you're new here, let me introduce myself because I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. And before we dive in, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below. It genuinely helps this video reach more people, and I can promise you that what I'm about to share with you is worth it. Now let's get right into it, because here is what most people do first thing in the morning. They wake up, they grab their phone, they start scrolling, and within about 90 seconds, they've already consumed a flood of other people's content, other people's opinions, other people's problems, and even the news. But here's the problem with that. Your brain spends the night in what scientists call the hypnagogic state and the hypnopompic state. These are the transitional states between sleep and wakefulness. So during this window, particularly in those first moments after you wake up, your brain waves are still in alpha and beta. That same slower, more relaxed brainwave state that's associated with hypnosis or deep meditation or subconscious receptivity. And truthfully, this is one of the most powerful windows you have all day to install new programming. Your conscious critical mind, that part that filters and evaluates and says, yeah, right, that's not possible. That little part of your brain is still kind of groggy and slow and tired, which means your subconscious mind is more accessible than almost any other point during your waking day. And most people, like I said, are filling that beautiful, ideal window with reactive, passive, scattered content. And it's almost like they're essentially handing the keys to their subconscious mind over to their newsfeed or whatever they're scrolling on. And then you wonder why it feels so hard to stay focused or positive or stay in a receiving mindset throughout the day. Because here's what's actually happening in your brain when you do that. The moment you pick up your phone and start scrolling, your brain actually gets hit with this kind of spike of dopamine. And while it feels really good in the moment, what it's actually doing is pulling your brain out of that beautiful, slow, receptive alpha theta state and throws it right into a high alert beta mode. That's the state your brain needs when you're navigating a challenge or responding to a threat. And when you flood it with notifications, news, other people's drama first thing in the morning, your brain in turn reads that as we are in reactive mode. Stay alert, be on guard. And the worst part is that right there is one of the hardest states to get out of once you're in it. Research on brainwave patterns show that the dominant state that you enter early in the morning tends to kind of shape your entire day. So if you started in a reactive, stressed comparison mode, your brain carries that frequency forward throughout your entire day. So basically you go into your day kind of on edge, already behind, and kind of slightly in a scarcity mindset without even realizing it. And I'm not saying you can't use your phone in the morning, but just do this first, because your morning window is your most powerful programming window, and we're gonna use that to our advantage. Like I said, the results are insane. So let me show you how to use this window on purpose with what I call the 10-second water method. This is something I incorporated into my own morning practice because it's easy and it's kind of become automatic at this point. And like I said, it takes 10 seconds and even less. Now, here is how it works. So step one, before you do anything else, before your phone, before coffee, before checking anything, you are going to grab a glass of water. I highly recommend, to make this easier on yourself, before you go to bed, just put a glass of water right next to your bed. That way it's there and ready to go and you don't even have to get out of bed. You might even be like me. I am insane when it comes to water. I always have a minimum of 2 glasses of water next to my bed before I go to sleep. And throughout the night, I inevitably drink both of them. I don't know what it is. I just need drinks next to me when I sleep. Maybe that's you too. But here is what you're going to do right when you wake up. You're going to take a sip of water, and while you're drinking the water or immediately after, whichever feels best for you, you are going to do a very specific scripting exercise. Don't worry, this is not journaling. It's not a gratitude list or anything like that. This is a targeted 10-second neuropriming script designed to give your reticular activating system basic instructions for the day. If you haven't watched my videos before, you actually have something in your brain called the reticular activating system, whose whole job is to act as a filter showing you evidence of whatever you feed to it. It's already there and functioning. I like to use it when manifesting. And this part is so important because your brain can't process all 11 billion bits of information, taking it in at any given moment. Your reticular activating system has to decide what's relevant, what gets filtered out, what are we focusing on, what are we looking for, and the way that it makes its decision is based on what your brain has been told to look for. Your reticular activating system is essentially programmed by your dominant thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. This is kind of like when you buy a new car and suddenly you start seeing that same car everywhere. It was always there, but now your brain has flagged it as relevant and important. Your brain wasn't noticing it before because it wasn't told to look for it. Your reticular activating system is the mechanism behind so much manifestation, and it's not because the universe suddenly dropped you opportunities, but it's because you actually started noticing what was already there. When you're not open to possibility, you automatically shut it out. But when you prime your reticular activating system in the morning with specific intentional script, you are literally programming your brain's filter for the entire day. You're telling it exactly what you want to see that day. And in turn, you'll find it. So here is what this 10-second scripting method looks like while you drink your water or after you drink your water. I want you to write either in a small notebook or on your phone or notes app, whatever works best for you. You could even do this the night before to make it easier. I want you to write a single present tense statement about who you are and what you want to see for the day, what you want to receive for the day. So one sentence in present tense, and it's going to follow this exact structure. I am someone who blank, and today I want to see, or I'm open to see blank. Identity, intention, identity, intention, identity, intention. So examples. I am someone whose success is inevitable. Today, I am open to seeing opportunities. Or another example. I am someone who always just seems to receive money. I am open to receiving money in fun and unexpected ways today. I even love to do little experiments, so let me share with you one of my favorites. I use this most of the time, so you can honestly just steal it for yourself, but this one is my favorite. I am so unbelievably lucky, and today my expectations are constantly exceeded. That one sets my day up for tons of magic and miracles. But do you see the structure? Identity, intention. You're doing two things simultaneously. You're reinforcing the identity first, and that's basically how manifestation works. But this speaks to your subconscious and begins to update the belief system. And then you're giving your reticular activating system a specific instruction and focus. Here is what I am choosing to see today. This takes 10 seconds to write, and it changes what your brain is filtering throughout the entire day. Now, here is the part where I need you to pay attention, because this is the piece that most people miss, and in turn, it won't be as effective. But the sentence doesn't just get written, it gets felt. You don't just write the words and say them like a robot. When you read it back to yourself, you actually feel into it for a moment. You make it obvious for yourself. You normalize it for yourself. You imagine how it feels to move through the day as that version of yourself, even if it's just for a few seconds. And even if it feels a little unfamiliar at first, practice feeling into it, because your subconscious learns through repetition combined with emotion. That's how new neural pathways form. The emotion is the activation signal. Without the emotion, the words are just words. With the emotion, you are giving your subconscious a felt experience to begin wiring a new belief around. This is the science behind why this works. It's not wishful thinking. It's targeted subconscious reprogramming using the brain's own neuroplasticity. Your brain has the ability to form new connections throughout your entire life. That's exactly what neuroplasticity means. And the conditions that speed up that formation are repetition, emotion, and novelty. This practice hits all three. All you have to do is do this repeatedly every single morning and watch what happens. Make sure you attach that genuine emotion to the statement. And it's kind of this focused, intentional interruption to your default automatic morning pattern. You're stacking the conditions for rapid subconscious updating in just 10 seconds. And the best part is, it costs you nothing and it takes very little time. Water, 10-second script. That's it. That's the practice. You have to try this for yourself. Now, the one thing I want to add is the compound effect piece, because some of you are going to try this today or tomorrow and say, okay, well, now what? Like nothing big changed. But this isn't a one-time thing. This is a daily practice. The more you start really buying into the intention and the feeling, there's this kind of accumulative effect. It gets stronger and stronger. So every morning that you're doing this, you're adding another layer of reinforcement to the new identity and the new instructions that you're building inside of your brain. If you can't commit to 10 seconds per day, how do you expect your life to change? Do this. Try it out. You have nothing to lose. And if you want to take this even deeper, if this is really resonating with you, I highly recommend joining my Rewire program. It's a 31-day manifesting acceleration experience where you basically have me in your ear every single day telling you exactly what to do, when to do it, how to do it for 31 days. And it's very, very, very simple. Every day has about a 5 to 15 minute audio you listen to, an instruction, and it builds upon itself. And the results are truly incredible. I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here, and I'll also link it down below. You can read the results and find out for yourself. But start here. Start with this 10-second water method. Do it before your phone, do it before the news or the emails or before life gets in the way. Reclaim that window because it is so powerful. Program your brain on purpose instead of kind of just falling to the current of life where it's taking you. And then come back here and tell me in the comments, what did you write for your script? I'd love to read through them. I'd love to help you. I'd love to see what's coming up for you. Here on my channel, I read through pretty much all of the comments. I love interacting with you and talking to you. And also, if money is kind of on your mind and you want more support around your money mindset specifically, I have a completely free workbook. I'm gonna link up here and I'll also link it down below. It walks you through identifying your specific money blocks, and it gives you so many really powerful reprogramming tools to start clearing them out. And it really pairs perfectly with this water and scripting practice. It's completely free to download, and tens of thousands of people have used this exact workbook with insane results. I honestly get dozens of emails every single day from people sharing how much this shifted their entire manifestation practice. So go ahead and grab it and let me know how it goes. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.